If you're experiencing repeated payment declines on Wise, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check your payment method. Ensure that the payment method you are using is valid and has sufficient funds. Verify that your card or bank account is not expired and that there are no restrictions on your account. Step 2. Review transaction limits. Different accounts have varying transaction limits. Check if your intended transaction exceeds these limits. If it does, consider breaking the payment into smaller amounts. Step 3. Confirm your account verification. Make sure your Wise account is fully verified. If your account is not verified, it may lead to payment declines. Follow the prompts in the app to complete any necessary verification steps. Step 4. Contact your bank. Sometimes banks block transactions for security reasons. Contact your bank to ensure there are no holes or blocks on your account that might be causing the declines. Step 5. Reach out to Wise support. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the Eshrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve repeated payment declines on Wise. If problems continue, ongoing communication with customer support can help identify any underlying issues.